Last week on Three Things Live, we took inspiration from our favorite movies and maybe embarrassed ourselves a little with our acting debut.
Your smile, your hair, your clothing.
Hey, we're gonna win awards for that performance.
I don't think so, Allison. The only awards we'll be winning are for the awesome projects that we made last week.
An adorable celebration table runner inspired by the movie The Emperor's New Groove, and the exclusive Hearts in Bloom quilt inspired by the movie Wicked.
Be sure to join us live every Monday through Wednesday at 1 p.m. Mountain, 3 p.m. Eastern. It's time to find out why you belong here. So hurry and catch up on all this cinematic goodness by watching on Facebook or YouTube or by clicking the links below.
Three Things Live is where we always have something to make you smile,
Something to learn.
and something to discover.
Let's go.